I'm Matthew of Surewire Limited, and I'm going to show you the new Surewire pre-wired maintenance-free lighting junction boxes. This is a wired display board that we took to the recent Electric trade show, and it demonstrates the capabilities of the new Surewire junction boxes. There's currently 4 models available. There's 2 light and switch junction boxes, there's 1 light and spur junction box, and there's 1 multiple light and switch junction box. With the light and switch junction boxes, we've got 2 power in-out connections and the number of independent light and switch connections. The 4-way has 4 independent light and switch connections and can do the lighting circuit for up to 4 rooms. The 2-way has 2 independent light and switch connections and can do the lighting circuit for up to 2 rooms. If you've got 5 or 6 rooms, then you can couple up a 4-way and a 2-way using the spare power in-out connection. So you only need 1 power in from your consumer unit, then you've got switch 1, light 1 for room 1, switch 2, light 2 for room 2, switch 3, light 3 for room 3, and switch 4, light 4 for room 4. All of our junction boxes on the inner console is clearly labelled for what connection should go where. So for room 2, we've got a cable running from light 2 to a spur junction box. Our 6-way light and spur junction box has 6 power connections. Any connection can be power input and the other connections are your power outputs. So as I said, we've got 1 cable running from light 2 to the spur junction box, and then we've got 5 connections for spotlights. So all your wiring can be completed on the first fix, and you've just got 1 cable to wire at your downlight on the second fix. There's no need to use downlighted junction boxes looping in and out. We've also got a 7-way multiple light and switch junction box. This has 2 power in-out connections, 1 switch connection, and then 7 light connections. The switch operates all the light connections. So if you've got a looping ceiling rows and you want to put downlights in, remove the looping ceiling rows, attach the 2 power and switch connections, and then you've got 7 connections for spotlights. If you want more than 7 spotlights, then you can attach a spur junction box to any of the light connections. We've also shown for a bathroom or a kitchen, if you want to put an extractor fan with a timer, we've used one of the light connections as your switched live and the spare power connection as your permanent live. Run 2 cables to your isolator switch and then a 3-corner from the isolator switch to the fan. We've also shown for 2-way switching using the 2-way light and switch junction box. So we've got a cable running to the first 2-way switch and a cable running to your light, and then we've got a 3-core nerve running between the 2 2-way switches. So these 2 switches operate that light. So with all of our junction boxes, all the wiring can be most of the wiring can be completed on the first fix, and you've just got 1 cable to wire your light on the second fix. They also reduce the amount of cable connections that you have to make because you're not having to loop power in and out. So the 2-way light and switch junction box can eliminate up to 2 cable connections. The 4-way light and switch junction box can eliminate up to 6 cable connections. The 6-way light and spur junction box can eliminate up to 8 cable connections. And the 7-way multiple light and switch junction box can eliminate up to 12 cable connections. If you want any more information and advice, you can go to our website at surewire.co.uk or email us at info@surewire.co.uk.